Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Now, normally when I talk about the Discord that we have, the Discord server called Save with Crypto, I normally show an account that has all the VIP privileges, but today I'm just showing you a kind of test account which has no privileges. So this is what you get if you join the Discord today. If you go to savewithcrypto.org/discord. Okay, so what we have here, we have the Quadzilla TA. Now what happens here is we post stuff here, usually something daily with charts and thoughts about the market. And what I'll do in a moment, I'll play you this video that Maff recorded yesterday. Now you would have got this yesterday if you'd have been in the Discord. Obviously, the sooner you get the information, the better. So it really is worth joining the Discord. Now, in the community section for the VIP users, we have extra sections like the amazing trading floor, where we discuss in detail setups, technical analysis, and much more. But as a free user, you do get access to the Quadzilla TA. And you can also see all these amazing winning trades that everybody does on a daily basis. People are just winning over and over again. Amazing trades using our indicator, Quadzilla. In the Discord as well, you also get announcements of all the videos we make, live streams, and updates on social platforms like X. So let's have a look at the video that Maff did yesterday. Now he did this yesterday when he got a new microphone and boom arm, so I'm deliberately recording this now with just the internal mic on my MacBook so that when you hear Maff's video you'll hear the amazing quality.
This is Bitcoin on the 1 hour, and let's have a look. These are the lines that I drew in yesterday's live stream, and or I think it may be, I can't remember. They've accumulated, and a couple of extra ones that are drawn in. So yeah, this would have been drawn in maybe on the 4 hour, but you can kind of see here now that this particular range is essentially just straddling that line virtually. It's playing with it, isn't it? Like it's trying to sort of break down lower into this accumulation range there. So but whatever happens, it's happening pretty slowly. It's the weekend. So yeah, on the 4 hour it's looking pretty positive. It has broken above this range here, and it's now kind of within this one, although threatening to break down. If the candle closes below this line, then it'll be kind of firmly back within this range again. But that said, there are a few fairly bullish things going on here. I'll just switch off the order blocks, etc. for now. Maybe clear that. Probably that as well. It's a bit distracting. So yeah, within this, we've got the 21 and 55 EMAs that have been kind of gradually converging, not a very bullish, steep kind of convergence. It's more they're just kind of like, well, you can see it on the screen. I don't have to mime it. Let's do a puppet show. So yeah, on this, it's the 21 has just been like creeping up behind the 55, which has just been kind of ambling along pretty much horizontally, really. So that's not like a sign of a huge breakout anytime soon. It is a bit of a sign that this sideways accumulation is probably going to happen for a while longer, and maybe with an overall sort of bias to the upside, but generally just mostly ranging sideways. Might well just be kind of within that sort of not even 1% kind of range, unless something drastic happens, which is going to happen over the weekend. Probably not. There's this bearish retracement level down here, and that also kind of tied in with this line of much significance that I suppose I drew in as well, because that was tying in with probably that accumulation range, which was actually back on Wednesday, so yeah, we could quite likely expect the price to drop down to there, which is back to our good old 108 level. So just because this pump it's also been very welcome to see this pump happening leading into the weekend, but it hasn't been especially great, so we might well see kind of a bounce off this, which itself will be okay. I mean, it'll do some random thing there, but then eventually just maybe come down to there, bounce off, do something like that, then away. It won't go backwards, obviously. But if it manages that, I think that's actually still okay, because it'll still be a higher low. So overall, we'll be able to draw in like this sort of thing, or depending where the wick is. Even if a wick's down to there, to the bottom of this range, it's still upward and it's still bullish. And that could well mark some sort of increased upside in the first half of next week. Obviously, leading up to the FOMC meeting. So we'll see with that. I'll probably round this off a bit, because there's not much else can really be said about it at the moment. It's the weekend, things are slow. This coming week is going to be very interesting.
Just as I was adding that video to this video, the price of Bitcoin has shot up. Now, bearing this in mind, we are going to have a live stream today. We don't normally do them on Sundays, or if we do, it's normally just me later on, but Maff wants to try out his microphone, so we're going to do that at midday UK time today, which is in about 2.5 hours from now. So that is midday UK time, which is now also midday UTC. As of today, the UK is now in UTC time, which makes life easier, although I don't enjoy it going dark earlier in the evening. And by the way, I did get a few comments about my video yesterday about this campaign we've got going with Bitunix, where you get these amazing rewards. So literally, if you deposit $50, you get $10 back, and if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 back. Okay, now you need to look at the terms and conditions here to check that that is valid for you, because, for example, some countries aren't eligible, like Indonesia, India, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, those sort of countries, and it is paid as a futures bonus. So it's not like you can just put 1,000 in and then withdraw 1,200. It doesn't work like that. It is a futures bonus that you can trade with, but you can easily make lots more money with that and then withdraw all the profits. So it's really cool. And also, if you can achieve a nice trading volume, you also get up to a $200 futures bonus as well. Now, I deposited $2,000 worth of Solana on Friday, and my trading volume is now over 500,000. So I'm in line to get the 200 for the deposit and 100 for the volume as well. And I'm going to aim to get the trading volume to 2 million in the next 20 days, just using that $2,000, which should be fun. So if you want to find out about that, go to savewithcrypto.org/Bitunix. If you've got any questions about anything, leave them in the comments down below. While you're down there, please do give the video a great big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure you got the notifications set to all. Do come along to the live stream at midday UTC today. Did I mention liking the live stream? I think I did, but do like it anyway. And above all, tell your friends.